to see any restrictions. And then I do some motion palpation as far as like, where are we going, or what movement do we have or not have so much. So kind of in that similar way that you do it too, is feeling for that rotation versus and extension as well. So I'm just kind of like playing into that joint and seeing. So yeah, I normally tell my patients, take a nice breath out, go to your happy place. Feel okay?
Yep.
Okay, and then same deal here. Just going a little bit higher up, and boom, there we go. Feel okay there too?
Yeah, absolutely.
Cool. And then yeah, we, like you mentioned, follow up with some more exercises that are appropriate, and with some other manual therapy, some soft tissue work, just to again like enhance that experience.